Hi, I'm Andrew from Dulux AcraTex. Today we're going to show you how to set up and use the MAI Render Pump. MAI for One Series Plus has been designed to save you time and eliminate the difficult task of applying render by hand. It can make your job easier, faster and more cost efficient than conventional rendering. The product we use in the MAI Render Pump is RenderWall by Dulux AcraTex. Whether it's your dream home or a multi-storey commercial property, Dulux AcraTex can provide a coating solution to deliver long-term protection for lightweight and traditional substrates. Dulux AcraTex manufactures a range of acrylic texture and top coat membrane systems that deliver a contemporary look. It encapsulates the wall in a high build, flexible skin which acts as a barrier against the elements, protecting your investment for years longer. So let's start with a step-by-step process of how to assemble the MAI Render Pump.
The MAI pump comes complete with tools and all relevant accessories to set up the machine. First, we insert the mixing chamber flange into the mixing chamber. Next, we hang the compressor underneath the hopper, then connect the air hose and electrical cable. Insert the rotor into the stator to form the worm drive. The use of silicone spray is essential at this point. Once completed, position the worm drive into the quick release device. Now, adjust the quick device to hold the worm drive square. Next, we open the motor to insert the mixer series. Make sure to locate the end of the mixer into the rotor locking key. Position the motor coupling to engage with the mixer series upon closing and locking the motor. Now we attach the hose to a water inlet and connect the 240-volt power cable. Then we bleed the water line of any air. Switch the power on and check the illumination character for an operating code. If no noise is heard, ensure the compressor is switched on. Toggle to the right for manual operation of the compressor. Next, we attach the air hose to the control box and begin to prime the mortar hose. Connect the air line to the spray gun to create a remote control on the gun lever. To set the water injection, toggle the lever to the left to pump required water volume. Disconnect the water in the feed from the mixing chamber before adjusting the water volume by turning the tap. Then attach water in the feed and prime mixing chamber with water. Now we will set up the pump ready for spraying. First, we load a minimal amount of render into the hopper. Turn the machine on by pressing start, ensuring the air trigger on the gun is off. The air trigger on the gun is now used to operate the pump. Render will begin to flow. Now adjust your water to a slurry consistency and switch off. Next, we connect the pressure gauge before attaching the mortar hose. The pressure gauge is used as a safety device to indicate blockages, which can cause serious injury if the hose is removed while under pressure. Now we connect the spray gun to the mortar hose. Adjusting the green nozzle will open the distance from the air spout. Now we are ready to render. Spray slurry through the mortar hose and gun. Adjust the water volume to desired consistency. Allow the hopper to empty until only water is coming through. Now we will begin the cleaning process. First, press stop on the control box to eliminate the spray gun remote control. Remove the mortar hose from the spray gun. Then wash out the spray gun. Wash out the mortar hose with the rubber ball supplied and repeat until the water is clean. Next, attach the tap and washing hose. Switch the machine off and remove the power cable. Unplug the motor electrical cable. Then unplug the compressor electrical cable. Remove the compressor and clean. Now we remove the mixing shaft and clean this thoroughly. Remove the worm drive from the quick release device and separate the rotor from the stator and clean. Then we remove the hopper grill and clean inside the hopper. Clean out the mixing chamber and motor coupling. Switch off the water from mains and lastly, remove the hose. If you have any more questions or inquiries about the MAI for 1 Sirius Plus, please contact Dulux AcraTex or visit us online at acratex.com.au.